Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Bruh, I was so caught up watching Physical Asia. I don't know if you guys have been watching Physical Asia on Netflix, but I have. If you guys want to check it out or my reaction to it, my commentary, I am uploading it on my Patreon.
He's waiting.
Oh, shit! Be sure to check out my Patreon if you haven't already. The first episode for the reaction is free, and then everything else is going to be for subscribers over there. But it's been crazy. It's been crazy. So when you got the time, go check it out. Link in the description. Stray Kids came out while I was watching Physical Asia, and I had to check it out. I completely forgot. My bad. But we're here right now. Stray Kids, do it. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. What the hell? What? Oh. He got that Alphabet 2000. The cowboy hat. Okay. Whoa. Ooh. Look at how your body. Got me dancing. Don't think. Ooh. Do it. Ooh. Of course, Felix is gonna be saying, "Do it, do it, do what?" What you mean by that? It's a Nike ad? Oh, what the hell? Okay, hat. Oh, oh, a little body roll. Whoa. Oh. Got an earring to a lip ring? Do it, do it. Baby. Ooh, Bang Chan. Ooh, I did a little, Hey, hey. Oh, that's kind of creepy in the background. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Hey. What we do it? Oh, never mind. Hey, hey. Best for you. It's already in my head, y'all. I love his jacket. Ooh. It's like a prism or something? Prism? P-R-I-S-M? Ooh, the black and pink on them. Ooh. And hit that. Oh, na na na. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Best for you. I already got it in my head, y'all. Oh, oh, na 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 na. Hit them oh na na na. Oh, that's it? No way. Is that it? Oh, it really is it. Oh my god, that went by fast. That was fun. That was a fun one. Stray Kids everywhere, all around the world. You make Stray Kids stay. Thank you guys for watching. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Stray Kids Do It MV. Oh, what a fun song. Got me body rolling. I don't even body roll that often anymore. But some groups, they just got me body rolling. I just got to hit that little, you know what I'm saying? And Stray Kids definitely does that for me. Again, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy JRE. Also, be sure to check out the new gaming channel, Hey Dre, where me and Hedgen play Little Nightmares 3. It's been crazy. And Hedgen was editing it, and she did a great job. So go check it out. Go tell her that she did a good job too. Link in the description. Be sure to check out the Patreon. We're checking out a bunch of stuff over there. Different exclusive stuff. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, y'all.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.